Hey guys, what's up? Welcome again in my channel Creative Ananya. Today I am here with another tutorial, and this time it is not just one or two but three different crochet flower ideas which are multi-purpose and very simple to make. You can use this in various decoration purpose, such as you can attach this in your hair accessories, your purse, your hankies, or even you can add a lace or border in your clothes by using these beautiful flowers. You can also use this in your home decoration. So these are multi-purpose and you can just make this by spending a few minutes. So these are the materials you need which are easily available in the market. So let's start. Take a crochet hook and some wool, make a knot and take some wool in your hand by rotating it. This will help you to make the design very clearly without any mess. Take 9 loops as shown in the video and then rotate the crochet hook from the beginning loop. This will create a circle structure. Then again take the wool in the crochet hook by rotating it 2 times and then rotate it from the middle portion of that circle. This will form 4 loops. You have to reduce it to 3, to 2 and then 1. Every time you have to repeat this process. Repeat this process till you reach the starting point. At the end you will see that you are getting a circular shape. Close the loop as shown in the video and then take 3 loops again. Rotate the wool in the crochet hook and follow the same procedure. Every time you have to reduce the loops from 4 to 3, then 2 and then 1. This procedure will be followed through the entire video. So here completes the first flower. I have created 3 petals. You can also add more petals as you want. For the second flower, take 9 loops again and follow the same method. Then take 3 loops and then Just follow the procedure of making the petals in the previous flower. Every time you have to reduce it from 4 to 3 to 2 and then 1. You can create as many petals as you want. For me it is 5. This will create a beautiful small flower. You can attach a mirror in the middle part to add extra look. Now the third flower. This flower is my favorite. Take 9 loops again and follow the same method. You will reach the circular part. Follow the same process till you reach the circular part. After that, take another color wool and make 9 loops again and pass it through the middle part of the circular portion which you created first to attach the another color with the previous color. And then again follow the same process which shown in the video. Only thing you have to take care is the portion from which you are inserting the another wool. Just follow the process which is shown in the video. You will end up with this beautiful flower design very easily. Following the same process, just make 6 circular portions by attaching one after another. This will create this beautiful flower, and at the end just join by using the same method. If you want the bigger size, take more loops. At last, attach by taking 9 loops again and attaching it in the same manner. So here completes the third flower. This is really beautiful and you can even use it in your hair accessories very easily. here completes the 3 different flower designs. Hope you all have enjoyed this video, and if you find this video tutorial useful, then share it with the person who needs this. Also like this video and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. And if you like my video tutorials, please click that red subscribe button and also the bell button to get the instant notifications. It is absolutely free. If you like my videos, then shower your love and support. It will inspire me to create more videos in future. If you have any suggestions or queries, do share it in the comment section. I will come again with another tutorial. Till then, stay tuned with my channel. Take care. Bye bye guys. Be creative.